Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we discuss assignment number 7 based on the topic active voice and passive voice grammar, right? So now what we have to do, change the active voice into passive voice. Okay, so this is our assignment today. Before getting into the assignment, let us discuss the basic rules, right? What are the basic rules? First one is rules to interchange active into passive voice. Active into passive. Identify the object in the given sentence and place it at the beginning of the sentence. Identify the object and place it in the beginning of the sentence. Right? This is the first rule. Second rule, identify the tense and decide the suitable be form. Okay, now be form we have to put, right? The next one, this is the second basic rule, right? Now the third basic rule, identify the main verb and change it into V3 or past participle. Okay, so identify the verb. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to make it V3 or past participle. Okay, verb. Identify the main verb and change it into V3 or past participle. This is the third basic rule. The fourth basic rule, identify the subject in the given sentence and show it as object of the preposition by or with, to, at. Okay, now subject, identify the subject in the given sentence and show it as the object of the preposition by, with, to, or at. Okay, so this is the fourth change. Okay, along with this we have to change pronouns, subject and object. Okay, right, subject and object. First one is subject, I will become me. Okay, we will become us, right? You will become you only, right? Next, he, him, she, her. Okay, next, it only, they, them. Right, these are the changes of pronouns. Right, students? So remember this, note down. Right, now let us start the assignment. Right, have you understood the rules? Yes, fine. Now first is, he bought new scissors. Okay, this is my question. Now, what is my subject here? He is the subject, right? Bought is the verb. New scissors is an object, right? Now what is the first rule? Apply the first rule. First rule is new scissors. New scissors object will become my subject, right? Here object will become subject, right? New scissors. Now scissors, bought is in which tense? Identify the tense we said. Tense is in the past tense. Now what is the be form here? Verb. Okay, why verb? Why not was? Because scissors are in the plural. Okay, so scissors plural, subject is plural, that's why verb. Correct? Bought. Buy is the present tense. Okay, buy is the present. Bought is the past. Bought, got. Okay, buy, bought, got. Now bought is the V3, right students? By him. Okay, he become him. As I told you, change of pronouns. He become him in the object. Right students? New scissors were bought by him. Now next we will go. They have bought news for me. They have brought news for me. News is uncountable noun. Okay, so let us see. They is my subject. Okay, have bought, have brought. Okay, this is my verb. Next is news for you. News for you is my object. Okay, now here news has been. News is a singular. It is an uncountable noun. Is a singular. New will not come. We don't use new, right? So news has been. Have is there, perfect tense, right? It is perfect tense, has. So has, we have to put be, been, brought, bring, brought, okay? Brought for you by them. Right, students? So this is the answer. News has been brought for you by them. Next. The minister has issued orders for his transfer. So the minister is my subject, right? Next, has issued my verb, right? Orders for his transfer is my object. Now this object you should place in the front. Orders for his transfer. Orders is in plural, so I have to use have. After have, we have to go with been. This is the syntax. Have been issued. Issued, right? So issued by the minister is my object. Right, students? So orders for his transfer have been issued by the minister. So this is my answer. Next. I received summons yesterday. I is my subject. Received is a verb and this is object. Okay, summons yesterday. Now here, okay, first one is object is summons. Okay, summons are plural. Now it is in the past tense. So which be form I should use? Be form is verb. V3, right? By me yesterday. Right, students? Summons were received by me yesterday. Next. He has repaired his quarters. Now he is my subject. He is my subject, has repaired his quarters. Okay. So this is my question. Right. Now his quarters. Object will come as subject. Right. His quarters. Have. Quarters plural. So have I should take. And BEE and been. V3 repaired by him is my object. So his quarters have been repaired by him. With this we have completed our today's session. Meet you in the next session. Thank you all.